YouTube, what's going on? This Rob with Spray or Splash Fragrance Reviews. I have a special guest today, my daughter Z. She's going to be helping me as I do an unboxing. I've never done an unboxing before. First time. This is not going to be a lot of detail. We're just going to open the box, smell the fragrances, get first opinions. So stick around. We'll be back in just a sec. Before we even get into it, I'm gonna let my daughter introduce herself and kind of let you know some of the, I guess, types of scent she likes or notes she likes. Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Zahra. I don't really know like what exact things I like. I just get whatever smells in my last smell of the day. So I guess I'll use this. But I do like cocoa beans, although I know it's like what you use to like relieve your nose of when you smell a bunch of fragrances. You're like, okay, I need to get a fresh. I need
Like
a fresh,
coffee beans?
Yeah, like
Coffee
beans. Yeah, I say cocoa beans. I like sweet smells too.
Sweet? Okay. Spicy,
I feel like just whatever.
clean, fresh, anything in specific?
Well, I don't know what the chronic consists of, but I like that one.
Oh, the Chronic by, Byron Fragrances. It's kind of a sweet, slightly boozy fragrance. Okay,
Boozy.
okay.
Yeah.
All right, well, got the box. This is from Fragrancebuy.ca. I got a few fragrances in here. We're gonna open up the box. I'll edit it down a little bit, but it'll be pretty much straight up off the cuff. Nothing pre-planned, so let me crack this open real quick. All right, I said I was gonna keep the editing down to a minimum. Had to edit out the box. The box was a monster to open up for some reason. I've gotten multiple packages from Fragrancebuy.ca, but never one that carried like 4 or 5 boxes at a time. So that box was a lot bigger and it had glue at the opening, so I couldn't just get it open. So
Rip it open.
I got it open off screen, cut that out. Got the fragrances here. We got 4 fragrances in this video. I want to let my daughter smell these fragrances and tell you guys what she thinks. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think. True first impression. All right, so first fragrance that was in the box was Stronger With You Absolutely by Giorgio Armani. It's supposed to be kinda, you know what, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna just let her smell it and then I'll smell it and we'll just
Spoilers.
keep it like that. No spoilers. No spoilers at all. Keep it
I hate spoilers.
live. All right, just honestly tell me what you think. There's no right or wrong answer. Grab right there. Cool.
Wait, where's?
That's
Oh,
that.
here?
Some skinny.
Oh,
Yep.
okay. I remember smelling on this.
Yeah.
But they write on this. Okay.
Yeah.
Smell it. Now that I'm smelling it, it smells sweet actually.
Think it smells sweet? Okay. Smell anything else?
I feel like it smells sweet, clean too.
Pretty nice bottle. Presentation wise, I kind of like this. This is my first bottle from that whole Stronger With You line. This is the Absolutely version.
Maybe it's like a
let me smell
spice, but not like it's not spicy, but I feel like it smells like a little
Okay.
like it's a cooking spice. Maybe it's
Okay.
not cooking spice. Maybe it's just like a flowery or something.
Okay. It's definitely sweet. It's kind of boozy, what I kind of expected it to be. You wouldn't probably catch you probably would catch like an alcohol type smell, but not necessarily like a booze smell, but it kind of smells boozy to me.
Sweet and clean. All the booze. This booze smells horrible. Sorry. I mean, it's
No,
chemical.
That's cool. It's nice. It's more sweet
Very
than
nice.
boozy. It's more sweet than boozy.
I would have to.
It's almost like got like a hazelnut smell to me. It's solid. It's solid. Something that would be great for fall. Definitely a design. It's got a designer feel to it right now. So,
Fancy.
you know, first impression, it's a solid fragrance. Good for fall.
I don't know. You can tell like which one's good for which season.
Usually, like the heavier fragrances are usually better for the colder weather,
okay.
and like the
Like
lighter,
lighter ones.
fresher ones are better for the warm weather. All right, hold that wand for me really quick. All right, so second up is Dior Homme.
Oh wait,
Oh. All right, this is I think this is supposed to be more of a fresh version of Dior Homme Intense, and like, you know, Parfum and those. It's supposed to be more fresh, so we will see. We will see. I really haven't read too much about this one. I know this one's a little harder to find. I think they had a small run left at Fragrancebuy.ca. I don't know how readily available. This one is still online, but let me spray it and you can tell me what you think.
Dior's very fancy. Ooh, spray it.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. It smells like a department store. Nordstrom type of. I've been Nordstrom's like once, but
you've been in Nordstrom's actually quite a few times.
I wouldn't know. I don't have. I don't remember. Clean. Maybe alcohol smell.
Okay. You like it and I like it. What do you think?
Okay, I usually don't go for ones like these. Not that I really pick and choose. I'm just like, I get whatever. I'm like, oh, that's nice, but. At least keep inhaling. My nose is weak.
That's good. There's no right or wrong answer.
What do you think?
You smell it. Wow. This is my first time smelling this, and I put it like this. I've got Dior Homme Intense, and Parfum, and the iris lipsticky makeup bag note is the most dominant I've smelled in any of the fragrances so far. It's like I can't even really smell the supporting notes. It's more like that iris note. It's just like front and center, and everything else is like taking a couple steps back. This will be one I'll have to really get on skin to see what I truly think about, because all I'm smelling is that waxy iris note.
What's iris?
It's like a flower.
A flower?
Yeah.
Okay. They put that in makeup bags?
Well, the nickname comes from like, if you like in a woman's purse, a woman will have makeup, whether it be blush, mascara, lipstick, stuff like that. And when you have it all in a little small bag, a lot of times if the lipstick falls out or stuff spills inside that bag, or just it's in the bag, you'll have this smell that smells like it's like a makeup. And like my mom, when I was a little kid, my mom would have stuff in her purse and she would say, you can go in the purse and get a piece of candy or something like that. I would open the purse up and I would smell this smell. And I think the people kind of, giving it that nickname.
Nostalgia coming in high.
Nostalgia's coming in.
I don't have any.
All right, so 2 down. I got 2 more to go. Next one is from the house of Dunhill, and it is from the signature line, if I'm not mistaken. This is Dunhill Indian Sandlewood. So that's the box it comes in.
Very fancy.
And this is the bottle, kind of like the Dunhill icon presentation. This is sandalwood, so let's get this one sprayed and see what Z thinks, and I'll tell you what I think about it.
Professional opinion?
No.
Why
All right.
not?
We are just regular people smelling fragrances.
Alcohol?
Okay.
You're a YouTuber. Side YouTuber. Alcohol? Eyeglassy?
Eyeglassy?
Eyeglass.
Eyeglass cleaner? Something like that?
Yeah, I like eyeglass. I don't think your glasses have a smell. Eyeglass cleaner does.
Okay.
But.
All right. That's fair.
Very clean. I don't really smell much else besides the eyeglass.
Cleaner smell.
But if you like that, that's okay. I go for sweet things. If you like eyeglass, that's good too.
All right. I think I know what she's smelling. It definitely has like a boozy note. It almost has like a clear boozy note, like a vodka type smell, but it's mixed in with like a creamy sandalwood, believe it or not. I don't think that's just like the alcohol trying to dissipate. It has like this boozy note on top.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, hold on. I'm sorry.
There's a
cat.
My cat is very energetic. Don't cut that out.
Okay, sorry about that, folks.
My cat is very, he likes to get involved, even when it does not include him, so.
You almost had a disaster right here.
So small table, he almost just jumped on it.
Yeah, it's kind of boozy and sandalwood, and it's got a little bit of creaminess to it.
Oh, yeah, cream.
It's got a creamy backbone to it, so it's supposed to be a sandalwood fragrance dominant, but I can smell like a booziness. I don't know what the note breakdown is, but I definitely have to get this on skin and tell you what I think. But I like it. Sandalwood is like a white wood that has like a smooth, kind of, they say, creamy vibe to it. It's not like a strong aromatic type smell where it kind of like opens up your nasal passages.
Yeah,
it's more of a relaxing type wood smell, and that's kind of what you get with the sandalwood. And I can smell the sandalwood, but the booziness on top is really, it's nice. It's not what I expected, so I definitely got to get that on skin and see what I think. All right, so last fragrance is from fellow YouTuber Ash, goes by the handle of Gent Scents on his station. Yeah, Galleria Perfumes. This is
Real gold.
No.
Fancy name for the box.
Dreamwoods. Okay, so
very nice packaging. Did a YouTuber make this?
Yeah, well, I think he was the person that was in charge of putting this together.
This box?
Well, the fragrance, I think he was like the creative director behind the fragrance. So this is kind of square biz for her, but you guys know what I'm talking about. So
I don't.
Clean strip.
Very nice box.
It's got some notes listed. We will get into that after we smell it.
Oh yeah, I won't.
I don't even want to read it.
Not that I know what
box,
they are.
But
this is very fancy
we'll
words.
spread and nice sprayer. Man, it's a nice sprayer.
It's a nice bottle too. It has like a gradient.
Hold the bottle.
Okay,
yep.
I keep holding it wrong.
All right, it's all good. And this is bottle. Galleria Parfums, Dreamwoods. What do you think? You like it? Not like it?
I actually really like it.
Like it?
I
Okay.
feel like it has like an outdoorsy kind of like.
Okay.
But no, I feel like sometimes outdoor it gets really strong, like polleny, I guess. But it's not. I just feel like it's like walk outside, chill day, summery.
Okay.
Kind of woodsy. Oh, it has. I know I smell it, like more deeply, I guess, or just like I feel like I smell flowers, like.
Okay. You like it?
Yeah.
Don't like it? You like it? Okay.
I can smell flowers, but I don't know what flowers it smell like. I just don't know. I don't smell flowers. I feel like I smell flowers, and I'm like, this really has a rosy smell.
Okay, I like this.
I like it too.
Wow, it's you definitely get like this like lavender smell, and if you don't know what lavender is, it's kind of hard to describe. I would say maybe if you can think of like laundry detergent, something like that. Like it's kind of got like they'll put that in cleaning products sometimes. Fabric softener, they'll put lavender, and it's supposed to be a calming, floral.
Yeah, it is. It's like just
plant, and it's
calms you down.
But this one has kind of got like a little bit of it's got a creamy. It's kind of got a creaminess to it. Man, it's got like a creaminess. It's got a sweet, like slightly fruity, something in the background too. I don't really know.
I have to agree.
But I like that.
I know.
It's kind of different. So it's got this card in here. So, all right. So we really haven't looked at this card, and this has got like the picture of the imagery they use to describe the fragrance on the back, and then like.
Do they all do that or no?
People don't always do this, and then they've got like the card with the notes on the front, and it's put together by the nose was Bertrand Duchefort. He put this fragrance together. Top notes are Italian grapefruit, Sicilian bergamot, Indian cedarwood leaves, Guatemalan cardamom, juniper berry, and ginger. Then it's got French lavender, Spanish nutmeg, fig, okay, driftwood, quince, Gaiac wood, Peru balsam, tonka bean, vanilla, ambergris, and Indonesian patchouli. So it's kind of got like some earthiness in there. It's got a little bit of fruit in there with the fig and the quince. I don't really know what quince smells like though. I think that's like a rock fruit if I'm not mistaken.
A rock fruit?
Yeah, it's like with the seed in the middle, like a plum or peach. They call it like rock fruit.
Sounds like this is a rock
fruit. Yeah. So yeah, this is a nice one though. Okay, so nice
avocado.
fragrance. So first impression, guys. Pricing, really quick pricing. I think I want to say Stronger With You, absolutely. This is like the small 1.7 bottle. This one was around like $60 on sale, if I'm not mistaken. The Eau by Dior Homme was like $80, if I'm not mistaken. The Dunhill Signature Indian Sandlewood, this one was, I think, maybe like $90. All right, and the Galleria Parfums one, this one I want to say was priced at about like either like $149 or $169, somewhere in that ballpark. So just so you kind of get an idea of where the prices fell. This is my first unboxing, first impression. So thank you so much for checking the video out. Thanks for being patient, checking me and my daughter Z out. Thank you so much. We will see you soon. Talk to you later. Peace.